In this chapter, we'll be discussing about the currency notes features, because RBI is the sole authority to issue currency notes. You should be also aware of when we are discussing about the functions of RBI, we should also know what are the currency security features in currency notes. And anyway, since you are planning for a career in banking, just for the sake of general knowledge, you should be aware how to detect fake notes. So currency notes are printed by RBI and have a number of security features. We were discussed that there are 4 printing presses in the country who print these currency notes, and they employ some security features. So let us see some features, how we can detect whether notes are genuine or not. Intaglio means raised printing. So if you run your fingers around there will be some bleed lines. If you see a 2000 rupee note or 500 rupee note, there will be something called bleed lines. Okay, so there will be 7 bleed lines on the side of 2000 note and 5 bleed lines on 500 notes. If you run your finger on those lines, you will see it's sort of a raised printing. You will feel that. Okay, it's not plain paper. There will be some raise. That's known as intaglio. So that is one feature. Next, if you take a currency note and just change the angle, okay, the security thread changes color from green to blue at different angles. Just take a 2000 or 500 note right now and turn it at different angles. You'll see that. You'll clearly see the change in color from green to blue at some particular angles. That's security thread. So that is another feature. Also the numbers, the numerals 500 and 2000 on the right side also change color when seen at different angles. So beside these security features, there are also some general features you should be knowing. So for 2000 rupee note, the features are like the note's paper is in magenta, size is 66 into 166 mm, and the number panel, if you see, the numerals will be growing in size from small to big on top left and bottom right. Okay, then there will be a Swachh Bharat logo on the reverse side, and Mangalyan, Mars orbiter Mangalyan motif and year printing will be on the reverse side. For 500 rupees notes, the notes paper is in stone grey, size is 63 into 150 mm. Again, the number panel with numerals will be growing from small to big on top left and bottom right. There will be features for visually impaired like circle with 500 in raised print. There is a circle with 500 in Devanagari on the right, Swachh Bharat logo on the reverse side. There will be a red fort image with Indian flag on the reverse side. So you can learn all of the security features by visiting the RBI website. So in interviews, they would ask you what are some features by which we can verify whether a currency note is fake or not, and what are some features of 2000 note and what are some features of 500 note.